Hey yo, it's Theo. Welcome to my new video. Okay, today's video is an MRT ride from Bendungan Hilir Station to Istora Station. Actually, it's just one station, but I'm too lazy to walk, and it's quite far, so I'm taking MRT today. First step before entering the MRT station, you have to scan your Peduli Lindungi application because now still in pandemic situation, so it's a prerequisite. Now we're going down to the station, and there's a checkpoint here where it's prerequisite again for you to open your bag and let them check it, especially when you're bringing a big bag. And yeah, check your temperature, and then we go to the MRT. Iya, naik MRT. Udah di depan? I'm using my multi-trip MRT card. Then also you can use single trip card and then e-money that issued from the banks. As you can see here, I'm denied entry because insufficient funds. Now I'm going to add more money to my card. Okay, we're gonna go to the machine here. Alright, now it's already been solved and I can get in. And now we're just gonna wait for the MRT. Like I told you in the beginning, I'm just gonna go from Bendungan Hilir Station to Istora Station, which is just one station, and it takes me about 20 minutes walking, but only less than 5 minutes if I'm using MRT.
Pada seluruh penumpang yang akan melakukan keberangkatan untuk menjaga jarak aman, mohon senantiasa mendahulukan penumpang yang keluar dari dalam kereta. Terima kasih. Dear passengers, in order to be prepared to getting on and off the train, please wait until passengers from the first line come visit. Thank you.
The doors on the left side will open.
Now we are arrived at Istora Station and I top again my multi-car trip to get out, and here I am at Istora Senayan Station. At this point, I realized that I am heading to the wrong direction and need to turn back so I can emerge at in front of Gelora Bung Karno because I need to go there to do my afternoon jog. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Ciao!